I'm Doug, part of the America's Best Restaurants crew, and I have the honor of sitting in the orange chair right now because I want to talk to you about the power of video marketing. I spent 30 years in the radio industry, not exactly video friendly. I was behind the scenes, but I had to talk to people and I had to visualize one person every time I spoke because it's kind of a one-on-one medium. I know you may sit in a car and you listen with 5 other people to the radio, but guess what? That air personality is talking to you and you alone, not to a group of people. Same thing happens when you do video. And that's one of the biggest things that I gravitated to when I came on board was showing people how to do video because it's fun. Not many people are doing it and it helps you stand out. When I'm hosting one of the episodes for America's Best Restaurants, I love showing the restaurants how to do live videos. However, people get a little bit sketchy sometimes. They're worried about making a mistake or not looking right or not being pretty or whatever their excuse is for not doing video. I'm going to give you a couple little tips on how to do it and make yourself comfortable. And there's a big reason why. There's 4 ways for you to trip the algorithm, if you will, regarding social media. The number one way is doing